Welcome. If you're looking to stay updated on all the creative collages people make using your Pinterest published pins, you'll want to make sure your in-app notifications are turned on. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to enable in-app notifications for collages on your Pinterest published pins, updated for 2025. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where your pins are published. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile picture again, this time at the very top of your profile page. This will open up your account settings and give you access to more options for customization. Now look for the notifications section and tap on it. This is where you can control what Pinterest alerts you about, so you never miss out on important updates. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Pins You Published. Under this section, you'll find an option called Collages. Tap on Collages to manage how you get notified when someone creates a collage using one of your pins. Here, you'll see different ways Pinterest can notify you about collages. Under How do you want to be notified, look for the in-app option. To start receiving notifications directly inside the Pinterest app, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. When the switch is on, you'll get notified every time someone features your pin in a collage, right inside the app, so you can engage with your audience in real time. That's it. You've now set up in-app notifications for collages on your Pinterest published pins. This way, you'll always be in the loop when your content inspires others to get creative. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more Pinterest tips and tricks to make the most of your published pins. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.